Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2013 Hyundai Tucson GLS, stock number Z9166A. 81,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. The Tucson is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This GLS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges. Well mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Tucson has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 176 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. All that and new tires. For more information on this Tucson, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.